Welcome to the University of Maryland's Department of English, Language, and Literature. This brief tutorial is designed to give you some preliminary information about the English major. This information will be useful to you when you attend your new student orientation session and select the classes you will register for in your first semester. The English major consists of 5 elements, which we will outline here. The first element of the major is English 301. This is English Fields and Methods. This is the one required course that all English majors must take. It's meant to introduce you to the broad range of English studies, including the 3 analytic tracks of the major: Literary and Cultural Studies, Language, Writing, and Rhetoric, and Media Studies. This course will help you to select a major track if you are undecided. If you are a first-year student, we recommend that you take this class in your second semester. If you're a transfer student, we recommend you take this course in your first semester at UMD. The second element of the major is Historical Studies. History is central to the study of English. You will take one course from each of the 4 broad historical periods: Beginnings, Medieval, and Early Modern, Long 18th Century, Long 19th Century, and Modern and Contemporary. This will help you to understand better how literature, language, rhetoric, and media have changed over time in their work of representing, critiquing, and imagining the world. The third element of the major is your selected track. This is the particular field of English studies that you choose to study in depth by taking a series of 4 courses in the subject. We offer 4 different tracks to choose from: Literary and Cultural Studies, Language, Writing, and Rhetoric, Media Studies, and Creative Writing. We will explore these different options more closely in a separate presentation. The fourth element of the major is electives in English or comparative literature. This is your opportunity to explore additional topics and skills of interest within our departmental course offerings. Students often use their electives to pursue internships for credit. The final element is a set of co-requirements that you fulfill as you select courses for elements 2 through 4. Classes meeting these co-requirements will guide you in your efforts to better analyze, theorize, and practice English studies. Courses labeled for differences and diasporas focus on minority and other marginalized voices pertaining to forms of social difference, such as gender, sexuality, race, ethnicity, and mental or physical ability. Courses labeled as methods will introduce you to techniques that convey and multiply meaning in various texts. These courses feature major approaches within English studies, such as critical theory, archival research, discourse analysis, and critical making. Courses labeled as advanced writing focus deeply on the fundamental skill of writing. These courses are smaller in size and are meant to give students dedicated time, space, and guidance to focus on discussing, workshopping, and practicing writing. Here are additional policies to keep in mind as you're registering for classes. The 3 most important are: 1. No more than 2 courses below the 300 level can be applied to the major. 2. At least 4 courses of the major must be at the 400 level. 3. The required Fundamental Studies professional writing course for general education cannot double count toward your major. Your English advisor will build this information into your academic plan and remind you of these policies, as well as others more specific to your situation, when you visit the advising office for pre-registration and advising each semester. Thank you for listening. Please continue on to our next presentation, which will further discuss the English major's 4 track options.